Hello, Joya peeps. I couldn't resist. Today, on today's agenda, I am doing a makeup tutorial for a lady who is eloping to Iceland. And she can't take me, but I really want to go. Anyways, we're doing a makeup tutorial so that she can look her best on her elopement day. And she did hire a photographer in Iceland. So very important. I didn't have a photographer when I eloped. I really regret it. Anyways, I'm using my perfectly curated kit of products from Isom, Ket, Beekman, and B3. And there are links on my shop products to these brands because these are the products that are in my professional kit and that I use for my makeup products in my own personal makeup bag. So we're gonna do her makeup tutorial and then anything that she likes to create her look for her elopement, she'll be able to buy from now on through these websites that are on my website under shop products. So I can't wait. I will try to post pictures. I need to get her permission. I will post a picture of the kit though, because those are the products that I'm going to use. So thank you very much for listening. Bye-bye for now.